I'm in a forest in New York and it's raining. Look at this. It's a national park. I'm in Ithaca, New York. This is cool. Camera shakes. I'm sorry about that. And yeah, I got no videos since like the beginning of August because I've been just traveling and being bored by myself, doing nothing basically. So, more wood stuff. Heading to the lower falls in Ithaca, New York. Don't know what they're called. But hey, see what happens. It's a COVID fall right there. You get it? Waterfall. Not waterfall, water fountain. Shoot, I almost fell right here. Oh, I think I found something over here. Oh look, it's a creek. It's kind of cool. Alright. See, their recommendations are different than PA's when I went to Bushkill last month. They have like this type of stuff. Face mask required. Stuff here I don't feel like reading. Before entering this area, designated as radio free area, okay, and dogs allowed. You can swim here. Yeah, that'd be cool. I just brought my bathing suit and just swam in the falls. So lower fall here. I don't know how long it's been since I recorded, technically, since I recorded like I don't remember what video I recorded, technically. Oh yeah, it was a stupid video of my friend, like the first day of August. There's gonna be a new video next week, hopefully. This is out. My friend Tiller and my friend Pierre are gonna help. Where we're gonna test out some waterproof shoes. But look at this. The lower part of the falls right here. You can probably just only hear it's called the Waterfalls instead of what I'm saying. It's just it's a lot more different than PA. This is all closed. Swimming prohibited, no lifeguard. Something nice. Oh look, future fall. Seems like they're doing construction on it, don't know why. I really want to take off my mask, there's nobody here. I might do that. Holy cow, there's so much puddles here. The irrigation levels. We could literally go swimming in here? Yo, that would be cool.
Are you gonna go?
No, look, I want to, but I don't have a bathing suit on.
Tomorrow.
We're doing this tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want to.
Yo, can we swim this tomorrow?
No.
Yes, no?
Are you recording?
Yeah?
I'm farting.
You can't post for her.
Okay, but look, see?
Because I'm on here.
Oh, because you're in the video?
Yes. Oh.
Because you're in the video. You think...
Me again.
Look, see, 4 feet deep, no jumping. This is a nice photo right here. No, it's 5 feet deep over here. No diving. But you can jump right here. Oh, there's people over there. Yeah, you kind of can't get closer. It's the lower falls.
Oh,
Look how low it goes. Look out, my whole face is getting fogged up because of the mask. Pretty nice. I'll show the next area if we get to it. And then we go further. Might as well just call this like a I'm gonna make like a video next week or probably tomorrow that I'm gonna be redoing my whole entire channel. Is because I don't like the state it's going to right now. I haven't fulfilled my promises of what I want to make my channel to be. But at some point it'll go to the way I want it. Hold on, I need to put this back on. Someone's over there. Hey, Livy. Do you like my YouTube channel?
Well, if I don't watch it, then that means a no.
Do you watch it?
Well, no.
Wow. So mean.
But I did subscribe to your channel.
So what do you want to tell the viewers?
No, don't worry.
The lifeguard's not here, so no swimming today. Well, let's see, no jumping 15 feet, but then you can dive in for 15 feet. This is actually kind of cool. You get to jump into the falls. Ithaca, New York. Depressed? That concludes number 1 in the falls. We're going to go to another, it's called fall that's a lot more bigger, hopefully. And I think we're going to be swimming there tomorrow. What's called. And we're leaving early here because there's basically just one fall here, so we're going to the next fall. My sister's looking at me like a depressed person right now. I can't have her in the film because she'll say not allowed to. This part's getting cut out, Jade, so you're right. Yeah, that's what I thought, Jade. The 24th. Oh, shoot. That tree just fell. Oh, crud.